This is a Dynaway step-by-step guide on how to create a one-off work order from the Assets tree. Click on Assets and then click Assets tree on the toolbar below. On the Assets tree, find the asset you want to create a work order for. Click Create Related Record in the toolbar and then select Create Work Order. Fill in required information in the description and category code fields. In the description field, you can write or select a description. These values have been filled out as an example below. If you have checklists to be completed before, during, or after the work order is carried out, you can specify these by clicking on the Checklists button. From any of the fields, use the drop-down menus to select checklists. Click OK to add the checklists to the work order. You are now ready to create the work order. Click the button Create Work Order. Before finishing, you can add instructions to workers, specify if the work order is billable and to which customer number. You can also add photos/documents for workers to view when carrying out the work order. Click Finish to finish the creation of the work order.